Welcome back to the channel. For all the new faces, my name's Kobe. I have two cars. I have my LS Swap Fox body, and I have my 2011 Mustang GT. But guys, in today's video, I'm finally gonna try to start the old LS. I got the wiring harness back to normal. I had to rewire the alternator plug and the MAV because that was cut off from the old harness. And then I got the ground hooked up down there. I need to hook up the TAC module here. PCM's hooked up. I got the power right here. This one going to here. I'm gonna just, for now, just pretty much clamp these two together with something and then use the ground this to wherever I have the ground at. It's somewhere here. I need to figure out what I need to do for the starter. I might just hook up a power and ground from like my jump box to kick it on, and then let's see if it just starts. I'll spray some carb cleaner in there and see if it'll just hiccup a little and try to fire. The last owner tried to put a ground, so I might ground this out real fast, like, you know, just somewhere. But this is exciting. Haven't ever fucked with one of these, so you guys are gonna be the first ones to know if it screws up or not. So let's go ahead, get the ground hooked up and that starter hooked up. All right, guys, I'm a little nervous. Got the jump box out. Everything here is hooked up. I got the grounds. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. All right, I need to. Okay, I got that sprayed. Now, technically, since the VATS is not removed, but I have a way to remove that. Since VATS is not removed, it shouldn't start technically. It should start up for a little and then die. Ground that to the case. And then touch this wire. Ready? Okay, technically, I just ran the power wire and then I have the signal wire right here. So technically, let's hear it run. Oh, battery's dead. Damn. All right, let's hit the jump pack now. Let's hear this thing run. Ready? Damn, that battery is dead. All right, try it again. Fuck it.
One eternity later.
All right, round 778. Man, what is going on? I feel like I need to do something. I don't know. I just don't know. Just don't know. I don't know. Don't know. Everything's plugged in. Everything's correct. I just don't know. Yeah. All right, so I kind of ghetto rigged the OBD2 port. Fairly simple. The purple is your serial data on pin 58 on your blue connector, which I have it going right there because that's where the pin 58 goes. You need a 12-volt constant, and I went straight to the battery. And there's two pin 4 and 5, or just straight both ground. So I grounded it to the battery. I'm gonna hook up the HP tuner and see if I can just turn VATS off. Maybe that is the problem because I'm not getting any spark. And obviously no fuel, but obviously because there's no fuel pump hooked up. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the old HP tuner, hook it up, and see what's going on. Pretty much giving up for the night. For some odd reason, every time I was on the HP, the VCM or suit, whatever editor, I kept trying to see if I could read the vehicle's PCM, but I couldn't. It just kept saying data protocol fails. So I looked that up and it was saying there's probably a communication error, and then I just started checking power and grounds. I got grounds but no power to the PCM technically, but if you check the back, I got those two, the two orange are hooked up and they have power. So I don't want to cut this and then just run the the pink's all 12 and then the orange to 12 and call it a day and just hope it just starts up, because if I cut it then I gotta wire it up again. But who knows, I might just give up and just cut it and wire it and call it a day. And if it doesn't start, I can go get another harness for like 50 bucks. But it just sucks doing that over and over. But I'll pick this up back in the morning. Okay, I still can't get the laptop to work, so I'm gonna unplug it, put it on the old ground. I can actually hear stuff now because I did all the grounds together, and then all the powers, and it sounds like you can hear it. See if I move this, that moves. Technically, it should start now. So I'm gonna spray some more whatever I have left in here and hope for the very best. All right, so I saw this one ground wasn't grounded properly. It's on the bottom, so I grounded that. And so we're gonna go ahead and try to start it, okay? Sweet, here we go again. I'm gonna cut this thing. Here we go again. But guys, that sucks. I had to literally cut so much wire and wire some stuff in. So that's gonna be a nightmare trying to either A, put back and use the fuse box, or just make my own. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and guys, get ready. Let's get exciting. So now we know it runs.